Alright, Doward here. Got my new HTC One, and I picked this up while I was there at the store. It's the Otterbox Defender for the HTC One. Thought I'd do a little unboxing video on it. Open her up and see what we got. Looks like standard fare. Got a holster clip that you can also use as a kickstand, which is kind of neat. The back of the clip right here, just actually clip it all the way back and it opens up and sits there. Belt clip, rotates. If you've dealt with an Otterbox case before, and this is all the usual stuff. Get the silicone lining off. Clips off. And you've got the three pieces of your phone. To insert it, you simply lay your HTC One in here, which I have to point out, I'm not sure if all the Otterboxes come with that, but this has a nice soft foam backing right here. I hope you can see that in the light. That'll keep the back of the HTC One from getting scratched up. Clip your integrated screen protector over it. It'll be a nice fit. Make sure all the clips are snapped into place. Don't forget the clips on the top and the bottom. Insert the protective silicone skin back around it. Work it back into its groove. Boom. You are now defendered up. I will say, I think the silver makes a nice little accent. But if I were dead set on making sure I wanted my HTC One in a case, I'm going to probably be taking it in and out of this quite a bit. I would definitely go with the black one because I think the black girls would just really look nice on this. Yeah. So let me go ahead and turn this guy on. I wonder if this will stand up right. Not quite. I don't know how well you can see that, but I can set this up here pretty easily and sit here and watch some movies on it. Nice thing too is both those speakers are completely uncovered, so you should have no problem at all with sound. It's a little interesting that they left the home and the back buttons undone. I mean, they're all capacitive just like the screen itself is, so I can think of absolutely no reason that they couldn't have just covered that and left a speaker much like this one. So I don't know if that was an oversight on their part, if they did it on purpose, but yeah. Again, if I'm sitting upright looking down at it, I'm going to lay it on the clip itself. It balances nicely there, no problem, just like this. Yeah, there you go, Otterbox Defender for the HTC One.